use all integrated 2D technologies. We use e-fence on excavators, payload systems. Our excavators use that day in, day out, every day. We added 3D systems that offers automatics, for all our applications that we do. So we try to use as much as we can, and there's no other brand that can offer as many options in the machine as Caterpillar. Another technology that saves us a lot of trouble every day is payload system, because we have road control is really strict. We do a lot of excavations in one project and filling in other projects, which is usually across the town. So we have to take by on-road trucks. So if we didn't have the payload system, we couldn't measure how much weight we load. We could get in trouble with our government and get a lot of fines. So payload system helps us out every day. My experience with Caterpillar so far has been great. And whoever is thinking about starting their business or thinking about moving towards technology and whatever might be, I would say go for it, don't hesitate. It worked out for me, and if I had to do it all over again, I would take the same route, no doubt, and I don't see other way to do it better and easier and faster and more accurate than with Caterpillar.